Stovetop Oatmeal is a comforting and nutritious breakfast option that can be customized to suit your taste preferences. Oatmeal has long been hailed as a nutritious and hearty breakfast option, and mastering the art of stovetop oatmeal can take your morning meal to a whole new level. Beyond the convenience of instant packets, cooking oatmeal on the stovetop allows you to customize flavors, textures, and toppings to create a truly delicious and satisfying breakfast experience. In this ultimate guide, we will delve into the secrets of creating a perfect bowl of stovetop oatmeal that will leave you craving for more. Choosing the right oats. The first step towards mastering stovetop oatmeal is selecting the right type of oats. While instant oats are convenient, they lack the texture and flavor that steel-cut or rolled oats offer. Opt for steel-cut oats for a nuttier, chewier texture or rolled oats for a smoother consistency. Ingredients: 1 cup of rolled oats, 2 cups of water or milk, dairy or plant-based, pinch of salt, optional toppings, honey, maple syrup, fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, cinnamon, or any other desired additions. Instructions. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. Collect all the necessary ingredients to make the stovetop oatmeal. Rolled oats are recommended for this recipe as they retain their texture and offer a satisfying chewiness. Step 2. Combine oats and liquid. In a medium-sized saucepan, add the rolled oats, water or milk, and a pinch of salt. The liquid to oats ratio is typically 2:1, but you can adjust it according to your preferred consistency. If you like a creamier oatmeal, use milk instead of water. Step 3. Heat the mixture. Place the saucepan on the stovetop over medium heat. Stir the oats occasionally to prevent them from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Step 4. Cook the oats. Allow the oatmeal mixture to come to a gentle boil. Once it starts boiling, reduce the heat to low and simmer for about 5 minutes, or until the oats have absorbed most of the liquid. Stir occasionally during this time to ensure even cooking. Enjoying the video? Leave a like as it really helps the channel out. Also, make sure to check the description box below for our top recommendations. Step 5. Customize with toppings. Once the oats have reached your desired consistency, thick or slightly runny, remove the saucepan from heat. At this stage, you can add a variety of delicious toppings to enhance the flavor and texture. Consider options such as honey, maple syrup, fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. Step 6. Serve and enjoy. Transfer the prepared stovetop oatmeal to bowls and serve it while it's still warm. You can further personalize your bowl of oatmeal by adding additional toppings based on your preferences. Take a moment to savor the comforting flavors and the nourishing start to your day. Mastering stovetop oatmeal unlocks a world of delicious breakfast possibilities. With the right choice of oats, proper cooking techniques, and a creative mix of flavors and toppings, you can create a bowl of oatmeal that is both nourishing and indulgent. So bid farewell to bland breakfasts and embrace the art of stovetop oatmeal for a morning meal that will leave you feeling satisfied and ready to conquer the day. Remember to experiment with various toppings and flavor combinations to discover your favorite variations. Enjoy!